1. Tired of that sinking feeling when you can't find your keys, wallet, or backpack? 2. The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to revolutionize how you keep track of your most valuable items, offering ultimate peace of mind. 3. Its revolutionary precision finding uses Ultra Wideband technology, guiding you with pinpoint accuracy directly to your lost item, visually showing distance and direction right on your iPhone. 4. Setting up these incredible Bluetooth trackers is ridiculously simple, requiring just one tap to instantly pair with your device, making it super user-friendly even for tech novices. 5. Unlike generic item trackers, AirTag's deep integration with the Apple ecosystem provides a seamless and secure finding network, leveraging millions of Apple devices worldwide. 6. And talk about durability. With IP67 water and dust resistance, your AirTag can handle spills and adventures, ensuring it keeps tracking even in less than ideal conditions. 7. This isn't just a simple tracker. It's an essential electronics gadget for anyone constantly on the go or prone to misplacing things. 8. If you're searching for the ultimate solution to never lose your essentials again, these smart trackers are genuinely a game changer. 9. Ready to stop losing things? Check out the Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon via the link below and secure your peace of mind now. Honestly, for the best electronics tracker in 2025, the AirTag is a standout investment every Apple user should consider.